god, I look so pale. Let me adjust. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's that melanin. Hey, what is good, homies? I'm back. Where did I go? Nowhere. I literally went nowhere. Oh god, I don't even want to, let's not get into it. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Who's that girl? I'm that girl. Okay, anyway, new wig. She feeling herself quite a bit. I really like this length. I think it's 14 inches, and I actually love it. I really like short hair on me, but sometimes I want a little bit of length to do that, and 14 inches seems to be the perfect middle ground. So yeah, this is a Unice wig from Amazon. I got it from. It's a lace front. You can kind of see a little bit of it there, but I just put the hat on because I don't have a hot comb and my straightening iron was doing jack shit, and I could not flatten this part out. So this side is really flat, but this side isn't, so that's why I put a hat on, because the wig wants to give me this side rogue bang going on, and I'm just like, fine, you can do that. Okay, so anyway, hi. If you follow my Instagram, then you know that I said I was gonna post a DIY jewelry video, and when I went to go edit that video for that day, I realized that the footage was kind of like lackluster. It was like boring. You couldn't really see much. You could see a little bit, but other than that, it was kind of boring. So I was like, I'm not gonna put that out. I'm gonna add to it, and here I am adding to it. It took me like 3 weeks later. Anyway, I made some jewelry. Think it's really cute, and I would like to share it with you guys. Let me take off my necklace that I'm already wearing. That is a necklace from my grandfather, R.I.P. granddaddy. He gave me this necklace when I was younger. He was really into skulls, so maybe that's where I get it from. Let's go on into the first piece of jewelry that I made. The first piece is cute safety pin chain. You can buy the actual chain part on Amazon, or you can go to a hardware store or a pet store and buy chain, and then just make sure you have like chain cutter so that you can cut through this chain, because this is pretty thick, and cut through it so that you can adjust it to whatever size you want. And then of course you just get you a safety pin that you can get at a discount store or a craft store, and you put it together however which way you want. I unintentionally ended up having it face to the side because I made one of the chain sides shorter. I didn't mean to do that, but I actually really love this look instead. So the biggest thing that you need for this particular DIY is chain cutters, because I already had all the other supplies. I just didn't have the chain cutters, and that's kind of what was stopping me and what I needed the most. So this is the necklace. I just love it so much. It's big enough but not too big, and it's such a cute staple piece. I just am really loving this one, and I've gotten a few compliments on it already. So thank you to the people staring at my neck. DIY is really simple. I honestly don't remember if I have footage for it, but I used the leftover chain from my chain necklace to make a chain bracelet. I used the leftover chain material from the necklace that I already did to make this bracelet, and I already had this lock and I put it together. The bracelet is held together by the lock, so if you do it the way I did it, you will need to keep the key handy so that you can unlock and lock it as you so please. But I don't know, I just thought this looked super cute, and it's nice looking. Like, that just looks totes cute, does it not? My next DIY is really simple. It's just the pair of safety pin earrings. For this part, you will only need the earring part that goes in your ear. So I ordered these off of Amazon. You can get off of Amazon. Just put like supplies to make earrings, and then these things will come out. I don't remember exactly what they're called, but they're the little clasp ones. These are really easy to put in and out of your ear. The actual safety pin I got at, I think, not Michael's. What's the other store? I guess it's like a Hobby Lobby. I think that's what it's called. I got this when I was in Florida and I just saw it and I thought it was so cute. I love safety pins, as you can tell. Actually, I just got a new tattoo and it's a little safety pin, so very on brand for me. But yeah, this one is super easy. You can, it doesn't have to be a safety pin, but you can get any piece of item that you want. This one just so happens to be a brooch because the safety pin is real. I just thought that was so cute and so darling that it has the little sparkles in there, so I wanted to make them into earrings. The next DIY is one of my favorites. I have been wearing it non-stop. It's another earring, and I just freaking, can you see my wig? There we go. I've been wearing it non-stop. It's super cute and I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so for this one, I already had these hoop earrings that I also bought. I bought it off of Amazon in bulk. I think they're stainless steel hoop earrings, so because I didn't want to get no allergy reaction, so I got the stainless steel hoop earrings a bulk on Amazon. And the chain that you see here is, yes, it's the chain from the necklace that I did. So look at that. With that chain, because it's really long, it's a dog chain, I made a necklace, made a bracelet, and I had enough material to make 2 earrings. So yes, we reuse, we reduce, and we recycle. Earring is actually my fave so much. Like, I just love how it looks. Get another earring that is not a hoop and just have it hang like that, which I was gonna do first, but I didn't have enough of the small earring things that you saw before, so I had my hoops, so I was like, you know, let me just do that. I haven't seen that, so that looks really cute. I don't know, this one is just my favorite, and I'm thinking of selling these earrings on Depop for like $8. So if you're interested in it, let me know, because I'm thinking of putting these up because I haven't seen like this particular style and I just think it's really cute and I want everybody else to be cute. I'm gonna leave these on for the rest of the video since the rest of my things are necklaces. Okay, necklaces. Okay, this next DIY was another 2-for-1 type of deal. I had this spider brooch, if it would. Okay, I had this spider brooch that I also got when I got the safety pin earrings. So I think I got it from Hobby Lobby, I'm pretty sure. Or it was like a Hobby Lobby Michael's type of store. And I really wanted to put it on like a chainy pearl type of thing, but I didn't have any pearl chain. So I went to the discount store and I looked at their little jewelry section, and they had this necklace that came with this flower, and I was like, I really like the necklace, but I don't care for the flower as a necklace. So I took the chain with the spider clasp and made the necklace. Adorable. And like, look how the spider just matches perfectly with the chain. I don't like that it has this little piece in the middle. Oh, actually that could easily be fixed. I can just snap that closed and just like snap these 2 pieces like that. So maybe I'll fix that so it won't have this line in the middle. But yeah, I just think this looks so cute. I guess you're wondering, okay, you said it's a 2-for-1 type of DIY, so where's the other part? What did you do with the little flower? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I made it into a brooch. I made it into a hair clip. So I just had this hair clip already, because I buy things in bulk to make random shit when I feel like it, and I glued it on to here. Glued the, oh my god, I can't speak. And I just glued on the flower thingy to here, and it made a hair clip. Hold on, you can see all my wig and craziness. Oh yeah, look at that. Easily became a hair clip. 2 DIYs in one. Okay, for my last DIY, it was like a bit complicated because I had to make I was putting on letters, so I had to make sure I aligned it properly, and I think I still kind of did it wrong, but it's totally fine. So here's the next one. This chain I got from Amazon as well. You can honestly just look up chains and you can find a bunch of different ones. This one is not that hard to cut into. You just need regular pliers, so it's really easy to cut into it and make it shorter and whatnot. So I used this coupled with this pentagram charm that my cousin, what the fuck? Oh shit, I didn't even realize it does that. Okay, anyway, coupled with this pentagram charm that my cousin got. I think she got it from Amazon too, I'm not sure, but you could just type in pentagram charms and you'll find them. This is actually so cute, so I love it. I put it on everything. As if you follow my Depop, you know that there are these earrings, the pentagram earrings are on my Depop, so go cop those. Anyway, the word, hopefully you can see, it says witch, and I got these old English letters off of AliExpress. I wouldn't recommend getting them from there because you can't buy them in bulk, so I had to order each individual letter. It's a layered one, and I just think it's super cute that it just says witch with my little pentagram, and then this will look so cute with my pentagram earring. Okay guys, this is the end of my DIY video. I hope you found some things that you really liked and that you want to either recreate or gave you inspiration to do your own DIY. You know, get creative, let those juices flow. You know, it's cold outside, so when it's cold outside, stay inside and DIY. That's my new motto. Cold outside, stay inside, DIY. Okay, and yeah, like I said, let me know if you think these earrings are really cute and if I should sell them on Depop. I've been thinking about it off and on, so I'm still not sure. Again, I would sell them for $8. They're not that hard to make. They're not that expensive to make either, but they are really cute, and I haven't seen the style out yet. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Follow me on Instagram to see all my cute outfit posts. Right now, at this moment, I have my Instagram on private, so if you want to follow me, still go ahead and follow me. I will give you a follow back. If you want, you can also just message me and tell me you're from my YouTube. Some people do that for me, and I just instantly let them follow because I've been having some issues with weirdos coming to my Instagram and annoying the crap out of me. So I just put it on private because I just could not be bothered anymore. So yeah, but don't be deterred. You can still follow me. I will accept the follow. Anyway, I'm gonna go now because I'm talking a lot. Bye. Did I forget to mention that my Instagram is who's.that.girl? I put my username as a necklace, but now I can't because I already used the W and the T.